Hello everyone, today we are talking is crypto investment or cryptocurrency investment worth it in the year 2024. It's a conversation we have not had in a while. So guys, in under 15 minutes or even under 10 minutes, I want to share my views, my opinion, look into the pros and cons, what's happening in the industry, and to answer the question, is cryptocurrency worth it in the year 2024? Without wasting any time guys, let's get into this episode. So, is cryptocurrency worth it in 2024? Short answer, yes. You can leave the video. I'm just joking, guys, but the answer is yes. I'll give reason into why, but first, let me put it out there and disclose that I hold cryptocurrency investment, but for this year, 2024, I have not been investing into it hugely. I think the largest amount I have placed in cryptocurrency this year has been 2,200 Rand. I need to double check, but I think that's the only amount I have added into my cryptocurrency investment this year. I have gambled a little bit with some other cryptocurrency, some coins out there, Doji coins, just to gamble and see what will happen. I've made profit. It was basically trading in crypto. I have done that as well, but that was a gambling. I won't say that was investment. But the bigger question is cryptocurrency, is it worth it in year 2024? To start it off, guys, we need to be fair and look into that for the past few years, cryptocurrencies, all of them been going up and down. And most of us entered into cryptocurrency investment during the COVID-19, where we saw a boom and we also saw losing. We also lost a lot of money during that time. So let's first talk about the pros and cons of cryptocurrency investments. And while doing this, guys, you'll see the pattern of why I say, is cryptocurrency worth it? And answer the question by saying yes. And also look into the disadvantages at the side of that coin as well. And the other side of the coin, because at the same time, we can't give a general answer. We need to look at the good and the bad. So when you look into the cryptocurrency world currently, how it stands, guys, when you look at the pros, currently we are seeing a huge mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency as a payment system, right? Meaning that we are seeing companies like Tesla, PayPal, allowing cryptocurrency to be used as a form of payment in their platform. Also, at the same time, we are seeing a lot of mainstream financial institutions doing research, doing a form of understanding how crypto can be made mainstream. Meaning the conversation is no longer about, is cryptocurrency going to be used, but now the question is, how can we use cryptocurrency in the mainstream? And I think that shift of the focus from, is cryptocurrency worth it, to how can we adopt cryptocurrency to mainstream, show that there's a large and opening and people are starting to be more comfortable with cryptocurrency as a payment system and as a way to do financial transaction. We are seeing that. And another thing as well, which is a good thing for cryptocurrency currently in year 2024, we're seeing a huge return on crypto investments. And when we use Bitcoin as the gold standard of cryptocurrency itself, this year alone in 2024, it have seen 52.35% return on investment alone, just for the first 7 months of this year alone, meaning that the returns are still good. And in 2024, cryptocurrencies are performing very well if we are using Bitcoin as the standard for the cryptocurrency investment. Meaning this year, people are not losing that much heavily money as in crypto as we have seen in 2023. So this year, cryptocurrencies tend to be performing very well, but at the same time, it's performing very well, but it's still flying under the radar. A lot of people are no longer talking about crypto as they did in 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2023, when people was panicking. So this year, people are just sitting back, seeing return, and keeping quiet about the cryptocurrency, while if we use Bitcoin as the standard for it. And also, guys, another thing about Bitcoin this year that I've noticed when I look into what people are writing out, the researchers, experts in the field of crypto market, and those who are just crypto lovers and people just tweet a lot about crypto, one thing I've noticed is that majority of them are no longer investing into cryptocurrency as their main investment in their portfolio. Like, yo, crypto will save me, will make me rich. But the tone has changed to how can I use crypto as a way to diversify my portfolio. And I think that as well, having a conversation, a lot of retail investors having that conversation saying, I'm no longer putting crypto as my main investment, but I'm investing in other assets, and crypto is just a part of it. Crypto is just a way to diversify the form of assets I have. And that conversation means now people are seeing crypto as a normal investment asset. It's not like back in the days where people were just like, oh, I'm a big crypto whale. Now people are saying, okay, I have cryptocurrencies, but also I will have shares. I will have this. And I'm seeing a lot of that conversation happening in mainstream, not mainstream, but in the crypto community right now. And for me, it shows you that 2024, when we look into crypto investment, it's no longer about, I want to make quick money in crypto, I want to be rich in crypto. It's about, yes, I want to diversify my environment assets, and there's potential in crypto, and I want to be there in case it becomes fully mainstream adopted or even partially mainstream adopted. I don't want to be left behind. I think that's a conversation that's happening around the crypto community, and that conversation for me is one that I love because it brings a level of sustainability into the crypto community or crypto investment space, if I can use that word. Now, we need to look at the disadvantages, the other side of the crypto investment space in 2024. What I'm seeing right now, guys, is those who are investing to crypto are no longer going into new coins, right? The volatility of the crypto market has made a lot of crypto investment to stay away from meme coins that are still new coming up. People no longer care about those coins, and that is a disadvantage because a lot of those coins, crypto coins that exist, like Polkadot, that had use case as well. I'm trying to think of the other ones. Let me look at my notes. Cardona as well. Those use case that had a use case, which are not in the big three, guys. They are not in the big three. They're now suffering because of that. Their prices are going down because of that. And for me, that is worrying, especially for those people who don't hold the big three crypto coins, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. What's the other big three? I think it's Corona there. I think Corona is there, the Bitcoin top three. People who don't hold the big three coins but hold meme coins, the small upcoming coins, are struggling to now enter the crypto space or the crypto community or the crypto market itself, because the people in the crypto community are like, no, we are no longer wanting to invest into newer coins. We want to conserve and protect the coins that already exist, that are already in the market. And if you bought those small upcoming coins, crypto coins, back in the early days, you are not seeing profit in your portfolio because now everyone just focusing on the big three or in the top 5 big coins currently. Another thing as well, guys, around the cryptocurrency space for me, which is worrying as well, is around the regulation risk, right? Regulatory risk, and you use that word, right? So governments worldwide are trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrency and how to change the current tax system to be aware of the cryptocurrency income that people are generating, how to fully tax it, how to fully control it, and how to monitor it in terms of ensuring there's no fraud and money laundering in the crypto space. And that as well goes against the idea of decentralization. I know it is a good thing. I am for, guys, I am to repeat it, I am for cryptocurrency being regulated. I support the idea of it having oversight, because if you leave it out there on its own, it will be used for bad, because without human nature always find loopholes in systems. So we need a way to close those loopholes. But at the same time, hardcore cryptocurrency believers don't want regulation, want government involved in the cryptocurrency space, because it goes against the fundamental what makes cryptocurrency crypto, which is a decentralized, non-controlled currency. You understand? So that's why we're seeing a lot of government involvement currently into regulating cryptocurrencies. And number one, we're seeing the tax space, tax implications are coming in. Governments around the world increasing ways to scrutinize cryptocurrency and regulate it. And as well, they're now starting to Now they're starting to even draft and research regulation. We're seeing it with SARS, which is currently investigating manners. SARS and the government, South African Treasury, are trying to research manners in which they can control and tax crypto itself. Another way as well around the regulatory risk associated with crypto as well that we are seeing is investors now are also struggling of how to find ways to mitigate fraud amongst the cryptocurrency world, because already as much as governments are looking into crypto regulating, there's no such ways to do so. There's no ways to regulate a crypto platform or how to fully audit it or control it. There's no ways on how to even deal with fraud issues around you losing your crypto money, you losing your crypto investments. If it's you are there, you put there in some blockchain, crypto wallet. If you lose it, you lose it. There's no system to mitigate such. There's no way or channels to resolve crypto fraud issues or people losing money or any dispute around crypto. So that as well is a disadvantage we're seeing being brought up and being in the spotlight as well when it comes to cryptocurrency investments currently. Another thing as well, guys, is regulatory and licensing issues for these platforms like Luno, Vela, whoever it is that operates within the the cryptocurrency space. How do you regulate them? How do we grant them license? Because we know banks and companies that give us investments into shares must follow a process of being regulated. But how do we regulate this huge crypto platform that exists out there, not only just in South Africa, but throughout the world as well? The licensing and all of those issues are now being brought out because it goes back to what we said as an advantage for this in crypto, that it's becoming more mainstream adopted. That's why we see this as being a disadvantage currently. So what my 2 cents right now? What do I think about crypto 2024? I said crypto is still relevant, still a good investment in 2024. Why do I say that? We're seeing huge mainstream research and research, not only research, but drafting of regulation of how to even control crypto. That's good. It means we're no longer questioning the legal status or whether crypto is real or not. We're not questioning if it's a good investment or not. We're now saying crypto is here, it exists. Now, how do we make it more mainstream? How do we make it more legal? How do we make it more tradable? How do we make it more accessible within the existing government system, within the current existing legal system currently? So for me, that's a huge plus. For me, that is a huge green flag. I think I need to go back to look into how I can buy more cryptos this year, because I've been just talking and not even taking action about it. I said I only invested 2,200 rand. I want to be open about that, so I don't talk as if I'm someone putting huge amount of money there. So for me, I think in 2024, cryptocurrency investment is still worth it. But I would say this: it is worth it if you see it as a way to diversify your portfolio and ensure that you don't want to miss out in the crypto communities. What if it becomes adopted? If it fails, just know that also there is that risk, and it's also something you need to look into. And will I publicly say crypto is going to be the huge cryptocurrencies that everyone uses in the future? No, I don't think traditional currencies like the rand, the dollar, the pound, the euro will ever be replaced by crypto. I don't think so. But I do think crypto can coexist with those currencies in the future. It will not be mainstream adopted like everyone now use crypto. No, I think there's more portion of people that will need to use crypto for some form of payment or financial transaction, and that will push the value of it like all other cryptos, all other currencies as well. And then I think we will see huge amounts of people who don't have access to banking moving into adopting cryptocurrency as a way to do financial transaction. That's how I see it myself, and that alone gives me hope. Let me hold it. Maybe in the future I will see good returns in my investment, guys. So that's my opinion, guys. I still have my portfolios I bought a few years back. I still hold them, just like this year I only bought 2,200. Until next time, guys, I hope you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and also give me feedback what you think. Are you still holding crypto, or what have your mind changed about it? Until next time, guys, be safe.